Hey everyone, we're gonna go ahead and revisit this Laserwash G5 at the Valero Circle K in Telge Road. So let's go through. We picked the $14 wash for this one. Here we go. Starting off with the blasters. Okay, good. Alright, keep going and stop. And let the car wash begin. Here we go. All right, here we go. Starting off with pre-soak. Here we go. Last time was watery. Let's see if they did anything. Hey, they restocked it. Nice. They finally restocked the chemicals on this thing. Cool. I decided to do an inside view because it is scorching hot outside. So yeah. All right, let's get to the back side. All right. The wash sign that you got pushed in a little bit. And if you're wondering why I haven't been any filming car wash videos, it's because that I've been in I've been in school, you know, finishing my senior, and I finally graduated. Hooray to me, anyways. So I've been like busy with like work and like doing homework and stuff. So yeah. The consistency could be a little bit better on it. Can be a little bit wide, you know. The nozzle, all right. Now we're going to be soaking. And we should get a high pressure rinse. Haven't been there since last year, so let's see how improved this one is. There we go, there we go, there we go. Wow, excellent pressure, man. One of the turbo nozzle does not even work on it. LOL. Now we're getting triple foam. Awesome coverage of tri-foam. Look at that, it covers the whole car, man. That's amazing. All right, now we're getting the rinse arches. I'm gonna leave it like that, so it'll be a little satisfying. Oh yeah, satisfying. This might be the last Laserwash G5 you may find in Houston on the Circle K, by the way, because everything got replaced with the Mark 7. So this is the only G5 you can find in Houston. And I'm very surprised that whoever maintained this place did a good job. All right, getting another high pressure rinse. All right. Oh, there's a leak over here. As you can tell, there is a leak. You're getting a lustre foam. And now the spot free rinse. Good night, man. Wow. I hope that doesn't scratch the paint. Oh boy. Oh, it just sprays from the sunroof. I feel the water coming through the sunroof. Run through. God. Alright. Now it's our cue to go. Here we go. Alright, let me go ahead and adjust my seats. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Going slow to the dryers. And the dry tire does not work. Normally, this one will be 60 seconds. I think I just hit something. Let's take a look at the after results. So here's how the car did over here. I had to stop the videos because apparently there was a slanted bump over here at the dryer exit, but I'll show you later. It cleaned good the car, as you can tell. I had to dry with the towel to get that spot off. Did not get the tough dirt, which is, I mean, pretty normal for a touch-free car wash. Glad they cleaned that tire part. That one, sort of. I had to get the microfiber towel to dry all the stuff off. It did pretty good. I'll show you what was it, or why the car will not go. So as I was exiting to the dryers, and apparently this thing over here is slanted. I don't think the last time it was like that. Like, look, this is why like it won't like prevent like going. So I had to stop the video, and we had to accelerate to that bump over here. Here's the machine, by the way. Some serious things they need to fix. The arm is leaking. Pre-soak. They need to think the nozzle is probably like broken as well, but because it's not spreading, it's like doing like globs, not pre-soaked. But at least they refilled the chemicals on this thing. So I'll give this place a 9 out of 10 for this one. Thanks for watching for this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.